Hi friends, let's get to counting. Remember, last time we had all these popsicle sticks and we still need to help teachers figure out how many popsicle sticks they each have. So I told them that we could do it together. So I have my place value chart right here with my hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's count together by ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what do we do when we get 10? We bundle it. So I'm going to bundle this really quickly. All right. Now I've got my tens place. Let's count by tens until we get to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I want to hear you. 80, 90, 100. Now that I have my 100, I can bundle it and to make another group of 100. 100. Let's count by hundreds until we get to 1,000. 100, 200. That should be bundled. Let me make sure that this is all together. There we go. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Whoa, that's a lot of popsicle sticks. Let's count again by hundreds, and this time I'm going to write it down. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Look at the number 1,000. 1,000 has 4 digits. Now we have a thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and a ones place. 4 digits or 4 places. Next, we are going to count from 476 to 600. These are some big numbers. So I'm going to put here 476. I know that 476 has 4 hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400. 7 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I need to count up to get to 600. But if I count by ones, that's going to take me way too long. So I've got 476, and I want you to think in your brain, what should I count by next to get to my next benchmark number or easy number to work with? I'm going to count by ones until I get to 480. So I've got 476, 477, 478, 479, 480. And now that I have 10 ones, I'm going to bundle it. And I've got 480. Now I can count by tens. 480, 490, 500. So I'm going to take these 10 tens, and what am I going to do? Bundle it to make another 100. So now I have 500, but I still have to keep going to get to 600. The best way for me to get to 500 to 600 is to add another 100. So let's write exactly what we just did. I'm going to move these out of the way. We had 476, 477, 478, 479 to 480. Then we counted by tens, like over here, 490 to 500. Then we counted by hundreds to 600. So we added 100 here, a group of 10 here, and we added just 1 for these. So we counted by ones, tens, and hundreds to get from 476 to 600. And for this one, I'm going to be pausing to ask some different questions. So if you're in the classroom, then you can pause and raise your hand. Now I want to go from 47 to 200. I know that 47 is the same as 4 tens and 7 ones. To get to my next benchmark number would be 50. So how should I count from 47 to 50? By ones, tens, or hundreds? That's right. I want to count by ones. 47, 48, 49, 50. I added 1 each time. Now that I'm at 50, what would be the best way for me to get to my next big number? Think in your brain. Should I count by ones, tens, or hundreds? Count by tens. That's a great idea. 50, 60, 70, 80. Now I'm going to have to go down here again. Long line. Plus 10. 90. What's next? 100. Awesome. Now that we're at our next big number, we had 50 where we changed, 100 where we changed. Should we count by ones, tens, or hundreds to get to 200? Think in your brain. That's right, we should count by hundreds. Now I'm going to add 100 here to get to 200. Nice work. Today, you're going to do a lot of different practice problems on your Nearpod. Have fun!